One of the main features of the Open edX LMS is the discussion board, with which you and other educators can share ideas and links to resources and information related to the content. To get to the discussion board for the first time, you have to go back to the course menu. From there, open up the section How to Use the Course and Discussion Boards, and select About the Piazza Discussion Forum. Piazza is the name of the discussion software. The first time you use the discussion board, you want to scroll down to the Piazza External Resource. Here you're going to enter your name and your email address that you used for the course. Pick a good password, select I have read and agreed to the Piazza's terms of use and continue. I've already done that, so I'm going to show you what you'll see next. On the remaining screens, you want to make sure that you click I'm not pursuing a degree. You may be pursuing a degree outside of this, but the department's not offering degrees through this LMS, so that's what that refers to. You'll have to click that on this screen and on this screen. After you're enrolled in the discussion forum, you can use the link at the top of any page of the LMS to access the discussion forum. You may want to poke around and just try out the discussion forum. You can always remove any post you make. Just remember that any post you make is attributed to you. There is no anonymous posting. So use your best professional digital citizenship skills when sharing ideas with others. Unread messages are highlighted on the left of the discussion forum. You can choose to review them or create your own using the New Post button. You can also use the menu at the top to organize the messages by those that you have not read, those messages that have been updated, might be unresolved questions, or messages that you're following. Adding a post is pretty easy. Select the New Post button and choose what kind of post you want to make. You can ask a question, post a note, or have a poll. You can also decide whom to send the note to. Start by entering a title for your message in the summary field. Try to make the title as helpful as possible for people who are reading it. And then use the text block below to add your full post. It's like a mini word processor. You can add bullets, images, and links. If you want to share a good resource with the group, the best way to do so is to share a link to a web page. If you have a document to share, try saving it first to a shared drive like Google Drive, Office 365, or Dropbox, or other file sharing service, and then share the link to that document. Many times, you'll just want to reply to someone. That's even easier. Just select a message, and then type your response into the reply field. The same mini word processor appears. The board is best utilized to support ongoing discussion, so think about the best way to structure your reply. A simple method you can use is complement connect question. First, compliment the original author by stating something you like about the original post. You can even go back and fix your typos. Then, make a connection to your own ideas or practice, or perhaps something you've seen or read. Finally, ask a question to continue the conversation. That's it. You can then preview or post your answer. You can get back to the course outline at any time using the links at the top of the page. Remember, once you've registered on Piazza, you can always access the discussion board from the same link at the top of the page. We hope you enjoy using the LMS and don't hesitate to share any ideas or comments you may have on how we can make it better for you.